Alright, this is the quick and dirty way to make sure that your Twitch videos are recording. No introduction or anything, let's just jump right into it. So first we go to twitch.tv, of course, which I have on mute because I don't really know who the front page just has random streamers. Then you go over and you click on your little picture in the top right. Then you go down to video producer. You got your creator dashboard here on the left. If it's not on, you just click this little hamburger icon. And you go down to settings. Open the drop down, go to stream. Then on the right, in the center, if you will, you have this lovely screen here. You scroll down. Go to the VOD settings. You want to make sure that store past broadcasts is on. Always publish VODs is on. And that's it. It defaults with those off. So if you want to stream, like I started doing test streams before I ever announced them publicly, and then people would be like, hey, I missed your stream. But anyway, if you ever want to stream and then you want to check back later and see what it looked like and so on, you can't without those being turned on, because as soon as you end the live, they are lost to history. So if you want to be able to watch your streams, download your streams, if you want it to save your streams when they're done, those two things have to be on. And yeah, that about does it. That wraps it up. So that's how you make sure that it'll record your streams. Again, no unnecessary preamble, that's just it. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.